The muffins just came out of the oven. Here is everything you will need. I've left the full measurements in the description below. In a large bowl, crack in 2 eggs, add a little vanilla, and start whisking. As you whisk, slowly add the sugar. But remember, don't overmix. Pour in some oil, then milk, and whisk just enough to bring everything together. Then comes the heart of it all, pumpkin puree. That rich orange color. It's what gives these muffins their soft texture and that cozy fall flavor. In another bowl, sift together the dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, baking soda, and a little cinnamon for aroma. I always like to add a touch of nutmeg too, just a little, for that warm, spicy note that makes every bite special. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more new recipes.